Baking rolls doesn't have to be always complicated. Today I'm sharing a foolproof recipe for sweet and savory rolls that are perfect for any occasion. These soft and airy rolls captivate with their taste, aroma, and are as appealing to the eye as to the palate. In this video I'm presenting a recipe for sweet chocolate rolls and another salty version that you can prepare for a celebration or a birthday party. First, you need to knead the dough. In a large bowl, add the flour, sugar, salt, and dry yeast. Mix the dry ingredients and add the milk, cooking oil, and lukewarm water. Egg whites and white wine vinegar. Knead a nice and smooth soft dough. What is important here is to knead the dough for about 10 minutes by pressing with the heel of your hand in one direction and then in the opposite direction. When the dough is well done, place it in a large bowl to rest and rise at room temperature for about 60 minutes. Once the dough has doubled in volume, place it in a work surface and divide into 2 equal parts. Today I'm making 2 types of rolls, so I will use one part for the sweet rolls and the other for the salty ones. Take one part and roll it out into a thin round sheet about 2 to 3 millimeters thin. Coat it with the chocolate spread with crushed hazelnuts and sprinkled with crushed hazelnuts on top. Cut into 16 equal parts. Fold each piece into a roll and place it in a pan lined with a baking paper. Coat each of the rolls with a lightly beaten egg and let them rest for about 20 minutes. During that time, preheat the oven at 180 Celsius degrees and bake for about 20 minutes until the rolls rise and turn golden brown. Set them aside to cool. Put the cooking chocolate and whipping cream in a bowl and melt in the microwave. Transfer to a piping bag and decorate the sweet rolls. Also, you can decorate the sweet rolls with a drizzle of white melted chocolate. For the salty rolls, put the cottage cheese, egg yolks, and salt in a bowl. Mix until well combined and set the filling aside. Place the other part of the dough on a work surface and roll it out into a thin round sheet about 2 to 3 millimeters thin. Cut into 16 equal parts and put 1 teaspoon of the cottage cheese filling on each piece. Fold the rolls and transfer to a pan lined with baking paper. Let them rise for about 20 minutes, then coat with a lightly beaten eggs, put small pieces of margarine on top and sprinkle with sesame seeds. Preheat the oven at 180 Celsius degrees and bake for about 20 minutes until they get nice golden brown color. Sweet and savory rolls are ready to be enjoyed. Prepare them for any occasion or birthday party. I hope you will give this recipe a try and let me know how it turned out. For a lot more coming in future, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and follow me on social media. Have fun cooking until the next time.